Scorpion News is a public forum for student expression. Students make all content decisions and opinions do not necessarily represent those of the HUSD. Hi Scorpions, welcome back to another episode of Scorpion News. I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Tommy for the first time this year with this week's announcements.
Well, since it's your first time back with the announcements, start us off, Tommy.
The HHS Drama Department presents the Spongebob musical. Performances are at Victor Valley Christian Church on the corner of 11th and Eucalyptus. Shows are November 9th through 12th at 7 p.m. Tickets are $10 at the door, but you can get pre-sale tickets for only $7. Pre-sale tickets can be purchased from drama students or in the student store.
And speaking of the SpongeBob musical, here's a video of the rehearsal Jeremy filmed. Good job. Really looking forward to the play.
I'm looking forward to it too, but back to the announcements. In the library after school on Mondays and Wednesdays and before school on Tuesdays and Thursdays, there is tutoring available. Get as much help as you can since the end of the semester is not too far away.
Your books are also on sale. Prices are at the lowest of the year right now, so get yours paid for now at the student store. Prices are $70 with an activities card and $80 without. You can also make a $10 deposit to make payments to lock in the low price.
Since it's a senior's last year here, maybe you should buy a yearbook. But on the other hand, senior hoodies are also on sale for $25 at the student store. Get yours before they're gone. Your years went by fast, but here's a video to slow things down.
On to all club announcements. The Photo and Art Club meet every Monday during lunch in D7. They're also going to have an art gallery. And speaking of art, AP Art History went on a field trip to the Chicano Art Museum. Here's Saul and Cassandra with some footage.
What inspired you to take this career path?
So I have always wanted to be within art, some type of job in art. I just didn't know what, but since I was younger, I kind of realized that art education or something having to do with very hands-on things was something that always drew my attention. I couldn't really picture myself doing anything else. And it wasn't until I graduated high school, and then that's when I realized that I've wanted to be in art education for the longest time. It was my biggest passion, I want to say. So when something like the Cheech was going to open, and I already worked with the Riverside Art Museum, it was kind of this cool way to transition from one thing to another. Not only that, but like being able to teach art education in like a Chicanx like center, being like a Chicanx and queer individual. I'm just like, this is what I have always dreamt of doing. I'm a Riverside local too, so it was kind of like just down the street.
Thank you for captioning that for us, Sal and Cassandra. It looks super cool, but back to other club announcements.
The Snowboard Club meets Tuesdays in Mr. Adams' room P15 during lunch.
The Light Club has two pastors, Reggie and Carlos from High Desert Church, joining them with the Bible verse. Meeting is today in room E10 during lunch. Don't miss out.
Mock Trial meets every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday after school until 5 in room S15.
If you would like to join the American Sign Language Club, meeting are every Thursday during lunch in room C9.
Meditation workshops are taking place in the Students Wellness Center E7 on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m.
Well, that's it for us, Scorpions. We're going to send it over to Jake in for sports. I'm Tommy.
And this is Caitlin, signing off.
Hello Scorpions, I'm Jake, your sports host for this week's announcements. Starting off, Rough and Tough is coming soon. Sign up today in the student store. Only 10 people per grade level. Practices will start next week and the game is on Thursday, November 17th. Next, boys basketball is selling t-shirts in the S Squad starting today at lunchtime for $5. Men and women's sizes are available. All fall sports are coming to an end, especially our football season. Let's congratulate our football players for an amazing season and their hard work and dedication. Speaking about football, here's a video of us interviewing the senior football players.
My favorite memory was always the practices. You know, everybody thinks it's the games because it's just Friday night under the lights, but like they don't really see the friendships that we have behind all the suits and like the pads and everything. So like my favorite part was like practicing with the boys and just having a good time at practice. So yeah.
Homecoming game because I got 2 wins that night. We beat Burroughs by blowout and I won King for Hoka.
I think my favorite memory was the key game last year because it was a really close game, and I got to make the game-winning play with Sam.
Last year's Sultana game when I caught the game-winning touchdown.
My favorite memory has to be the first game of this year against Nona Vista, getting 189 yards for my first game to start off the season.
I felt sad. Honestly, I felt really sad because I knew it wasn't going to be like, I don't know, it's just like, it was really sad because like I knew it was going to be the last time playing with the guys, you know, so yeah, for me it was really sad.
It was very emotional because I've been playing since I was 5 years old, and it opened new doors for me for like wrestling because I know it was sad that football ended, but I'm more focused on bigger and better things, which is wrestling. So yeah.
It was really hard. After the game on the field talking to everybody, I got pretty sad, but as soon as I took off my pads in the locker room, I started crying. It was really bad.
I really didn't feel no type of way, to be honest. I just had to do what I had to do, I guess.
Taking off my pads, it was kind of sad because I feel like I could have done more even though I got hurt, and I don't know, just disappointed and stuff. That's all.
Amazing job, seniors, for your participation. We wish you guys good luck in the future. Once again, let's congratulate all of our fall sports for their sportsmanship and keeping up the school spirit. That is all for sports. I'm Jakin, signing off.